5 persons were injured in a road accident in South Kashmir's Islamabad district today. According to Kashmir Media Service, a police official said that a passenger vehicle skidded off the road in Sri Gufwara area of the district. The injured were shifted to a hospital for further treatment. Protest demonstrations were held in Srinagar and Jammu against the anti-people policies. Scores of the transporters assembled at the Regional Transport Office in Srinagar and staged a protest demonstration against delaying in the re-registration of their vehicles. Rehbar-e-Khel teachers' protest outside the BJP headquarters in Jammu continues on the 24th consecutive day today. They are staging a peaceful protest in favor of their demands, including the enhancement of their monthly salary. Incarcerated senior leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Nayeem Ahmed Khan, has urged the international community to take cognizance of Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government's illegal and unilateral actions which are aimed at undermining the disputed status of Jammu and Kashmir. Nayeem Ahmed Khan, in a message from New Delhi's infamous Tihar Jail, said Jammu and Kashmir is an internationally recognized dispute pending resolution in the United Nations for the last over 7 decades. Political experts and analysts have said that Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government is hatching conspiracies to deprive the Kashmiris of their identity and homeland. According to Kashmir Media Service, the political experts and analysts in their interviews and statements in Srinagar said the RSS-backed Modi regime is hell-bent upon converting occupied Kashmir's Muslim majority into a minority. Mercury dropped below sub-zero level in Kashmir Valley today as higher reaches received snowfall and rains lashed the plains. Occupied Kashmir is in the grip of Chilla Kalan, the 40-day-long harsh winter period. Meanwhile, 2 snow avalanches occurred in the Ganderbal district. There was no damage reported from any place till the last reports came in. Indian Army Chief General Manoj Pandey claimed today that the situation along India's northern borders with China is under control but remains unpredictable. Situation on the line of actual control remains tense since the clash between the Indian and Chinese troops in the Ladakh region in June 2020. 20 Indian soldiers were killed and dozens others were injured in the Galwan Valley in Ladakh.